You are going to love the 2019 Fit. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.